Full service internet marketing is about taking it from your business objectives. So you have organizational or business objectives. Increase revenue, gain more prospects, grow your brand in the community, whether it's an industry community or a geographic community. We take it from there and apply it to the internet. So we're defining strategies and we're implementing tactics on a month-by-month basis based on what's working. We're measuring this in analytics and we're accountable to your business objectives. This is as opposed to hiring a company based on internet objectives. So, hey, we want to be on the first page of Google, or hey, we want a website that does X, or we want our website to do Y. Whatever we want to use Facebook or some social media of some kind. We want to use email marketing. These are strategies and tactics for the internet. What we like to do is be your internet marketing department. And full service internet marketing is based on where we meet you at your business objectives and provide you executive reporting, results-based reporting, and accountability on what we're doing. And of course, you guide the process from that perspective. That's full service internet marketing, and that's where we excel.